Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you how to fix Pikashow not working. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if Pikashow is not working for you, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you may want to refresh your internet connectivity. So in this case, you may want to go ahead and just scroll down to the very top of your screen here until you see your widgets. And you want to go ahead and just make sure to click on the airplane icon here. Go and press on it. Wait for about 5 to 10 seconds. And once 5 or 10 seconds is up, you can go and just turn off airplane mode. Wait for your Wi-Fi to turn on, and go and open up Pikashow and see if that actually helps. Now, this basically refreshes your internet connectivity, and hopefully this would make Pikashow work again. Now, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to clear your cache. So, in this case, these are temporary files that is stored inside the app. So, to access or in order for you to clear your cache, you need to press and hold on Pikashow, click on the eye icon or the app info icon that you should be seeing in there. And once you click on it, it should redirect you to this page here. Now, inside here, you want to go and click on the clear data at the bottom right of your screen. Click on clear cache. Click on OK. Go and click on force stop as well. Click on OK. Now, from here, you want to go open up Pikashow again and see if that actually helps. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.